How to see send follow request on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. There is no simple button to simply see follow request, which is sent. So simply click on your profile, then click on three lines on top right. Go to account center and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your information and permission. Then click on download your information. Click on download and then select Instagram and press on next. Click on some of your information. After you've selected some of your information, simply scroll down in here and make sure there's tick mark in connections option, which is contact and followers and following. After you've done that, press on next. Click on download to device. You can select date range as well. After that, save. After you're done, click on create files. Files will be created and you can simply download it from here and you'll be able to see all your data, which is follow request. This is how to see send follow request on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophie signing off until next time.